Welcome back children to lesson number 9 of your EVS subject Land. Today take out page number 75. Children, in my last video we learned about biotic components and abiotic components. So let's revise this. Biotic components are living components and abiotic components are non-living components. Children, you can see one table on page number 75, components of soil. Here you have to write some biotic components and some abiotic components. In the column of biotic components, write microorganisms, excreta of animals, leaves, remains of dead organisms, bird feathers. And in abiotic components column, write stone, sand, mud and silt. Children, here you see on the same page, it is true. Marble, coal, graphite, diamond, gypsum, calcium, petroleum are obtained from soil. Children, all these are some minerals which are available from the soil. Petroleum includes diesel, petrol, kerosene and gas. Metals like gold, silver, mercury, copper, iron are also obtained from soil. Now take out page number 77. Based on the color of the soil, based on the components of the soil. Children, here we will learn types of soil. Types of soil is classified into two categories, that is based on the color of the soil and based on the components of the soil, means the components present in the soil. Types of soil on the basis of color. Generally, the soil can be classified on the basis of its color. Soil which is red in color is known as red soil. If black in color, then black soil, and if brown in color, it is known as brown soil. Now, types of soil on the basis of its components. Children, first one is sandy soil. The soil having large amount of sand particles is known as sandy soil. That means when you sieve the soil and if you find more amount of sand particles in the soil, that soil is known as sandy soil. The particles of such type of soil get separated easily. The soil dries soon after the rain. That means the water drains out easily from the soil inside the earth. Its water holding capacity is very low. Second is clayey soil. The soil having large amount of clay particles is known as clayey soil. During rain, this soil becomes sticky and slippery. Children, you know why clayey soil becomes sticky and slippery? Because water holding capacity of clayey soil is more compared to other types of soils. In dry season, the soil becomes very hard and cracks are developed. Now last is alluvial soil. The soil having large amount of organic matter is known as alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is fertile. Children, here organic matter includes animal and plant material that returns to the soil and goes through the decomposition process. Because of presence of organic matter in the soil, alluvial soil is most fertile soil. So children, this was for all today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.